welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is Michael.
Howdy.
Before we start, I want to tell you guys that the reason, because I'm like very aware of little things like that, my face is like this, is because I developed some blemishes over the months. And I just tried something new that I bought. So I can't put any makeup on or anything. So you guys are going to see me like this until my skin peels off and these blemishes go away. I mean, I've been trying all kinds of things, but hopefully this time it's going to work. So that will give me time. Thanks for that. I wanted to put that in anyway. That will give me time for this to get warm. And I wanted to tell you that this is my leftover turkey flavor. Applewood turkey flavor, a tenderloin turkey like log that I had, and this is the leftover from yesterday. And I wanted to do this to let a lot of you guys know that when you have leftovers like that, people do like turkey sandwiches. They heat it up, right? Or they just like break it for the kids. But I want to try something new. So what I did, I put my caldero, as you can see here.
Guys, want to see that recipe? I'm going to link it down below.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of white sugar on here, okay? And I just want to brown it a little bit. And as soon as that turns brown, this is my turkey from yesterday, guys. You see, this leftover. So what
recipe
I did was,
down below if you want to see it.
I took it and I cut it in little strips like that. So I'm just going to make it for my husband for dinner with a little bit of white rice that I have over there. What is it, Michael? Are you trying to talk to me about it? Is there something you want to tell me? Because how are you trying to tell me something? I gotta wait for this to get hot. And people know you can fast forward in the video if you want, you know, but leave it there. I'm just waiting. There you go. I want everybody to see how it starts getting hot, but you gotta back up a little bit, Michael. But don't let it get burned either, guys, okay? So I want you guys to be careful with that. Now you can back up a little bit, but I'm gonna put this in. And when it starts getting brown like that, that's the sugar. That means it's caramelizing. Now for me, that's a little bit too much oil. So what I'm going to do this because I have experience, guys. But I don't want you guys doing any of this stuff. I just put down a little bit of oil there. And what I'm going to do, back up, Michael. I'm going to put this in there. Like that. Okay. Hang on a second. There we go. And you see how it's getting that nice brown glaze, right, Mike? And that's just for the color. And we're going to leave it on high like that and turn it, see? Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do some kind of like a little tiny sauce in here with a few condiments, with a little bit of ketchup. It doesn't matter what kind of ketchup you have. If you want spicy, you can put spicy. Just a little drops like that. All that is going to do is change the color a little bit, okay? And it's going to keep on browning because ketchup itself has sugar, right, guys? That's right, see? And we're just trying to caramelize here and brown this. And it's very, very good. It already has salt and pepper from the day before when we put it in the oven, remember?
Yep,
so,
check that recipe out.
So I'm going to keep on basting like this. I'm going to make a little bit of more sauce. And then I'm going to put a little tiny bit of chili garlic sauce. Because I want that to like pop out, you know, and get on the spicy side a little bit, you know, something new, right, guys? And I'm going to tell you, Michael, back up because you can get burned, my son. A little bit back. Just move it. Just moving in that delicious, delicious olive oil that we put in there, okay? And I just, again, and again. And we're going to finish it up with a little tiny bit of regular sauce. But it's going to be very little like that. Okay? See how this is popping? That's why I put my chef jacket. See my chef jacket? These jackets are good when cooking. You guys can buy them though. You know, you can cook with them at home. This is done. And this is leftover turkey with a little bit of chili sauce, a garlic chili sauce. Sweet, so a little bit of sugar, ketchup, and that's it. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to put it on a plate so you guys can see how pretty it looks. Turn it off, and if you guys want to try it, you know, you want to try it at home, in your dorm. If colleges are open, I have no idea. Okay. Here we go. And that's delicious. And you can serve that with a little bit of white rice on the side, like the one that I'm serving over there. We're going to put a picture with the rice next to it so you guys can see it. And if you guys want to try it, then go ahead, guys. And this is going to be very delicious and very cheap. Uh-oh, I dropped a little piece. So instead of you going out to dinner or buying food from the street, hey, just, you know, hook up your leftovers that you have in the fridge and you can get a meal for one person, actually. Out of that, I say 2 people can eat. So I'm going to go serve my husband now. That's a little piece that I have in my mouth, guys. So with that, I hope you guys enjoy it, or you guys do it if you have some turkey, whatever, in your house. Try to make it. Follow the instructions. Everything will be down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on YouTube, on Pinterest, and if you want to donate, you can go to patreon.com. Okay? And just click down below, and it'll take you through. Love you all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Good?